What if I told you that you could create a full meta ads campaign without ever opening the ad manager? I mean everything, the campaign, the ad set, and the ads. You just tell the agent what you want, it builds everything, and you approve manually before anything goes live. Some people recently got burned with ad accounts banned using AI the wrong way. This is not that. No random AI tool is connecting to your account. Everything goes through Markifact. And so you know, Markifact is a validated and approved app by Meta, so you have no risk. It's 100% secure for your ad account. Let me show you how this works. Okay, let's create a full Meta ad campaign together using the AI agent of Markifact. Before you start building with the agent, make sure in the Connections tab that your Meta ad account is connected. It's the secure way to connect Meta to Markifact. Once it's done, go back to the main page and you can start chatting with the agent. And from there, you can directly start building the campaign. Okay, just check if you have access to the Meta ad account called GA4 Auditor before we start. So we'll just double check that the agent has access to our correct account where we will set up a campaign. So just to explain how the agent is working, every time you ask something to the agent, it will first search in his own library, his own database, to understand how we can do some actions. So for example, here it was searching, okay, how can I select a Meta ad account? Finds the information in the Markifact database, and then he knows how to do it and start calling Meta to double check that we have access. So every time we will ask something to the agent, you will see that the agent will first search in the library to see how he can do it, and then he will actually do it. So that's perfect, we have access to the account. Okay, now I need you to help me create a traffic campaign targeting the US for our marketing automation software. Let me know what you need to be able to create a campaign. So we give a very broad prompt and we will let the agent walk us through what it needs to be able to create a campaign. The agent came back with a couple of questions. So let's go through. So account already confirmed, USD time zone, that's perfect. So campaign level, campaign on pause. So we'll just answer line by line. So campaign paused. What do we want at the campaign level for the budget? So daily budget of $20. Step 2, ad sets. So destination is indeed website. Destination, we'll give him right there. Okay, optimization goal, landing page view or clicks. We'll go for optimize for landing page view. Schedule ASAP, no end date. And placement advantage plus or manual placements. We will just keep advantage plus placement for the moment. We'll let the algorithm do the job. So regarding targeting now, so we'll target United States. That's perfect. Age range, audience. So it suggests like either a broad audience, interest, or custom audience. So here we'll say, I want you to create one ad set broad without any targeting and one ad set with interest stacked. So we can do testing. There we go. Then identity, Facebook page and Instagram account. So the page is called Swipe Insights. No Instagram account. And then the ad creative. So you see the agent walk me through everything it needs from campaign level to ad level to be able to create the campaign. So single image. I want you to create only one ad for the moment. I will provide a square image and a vertical image for this ad. Regarding the copy, you can write yourself something that works. We won't use any UTM parameters for the moment. All right, and then compliance, no specific category. So the agent really went through everything it needs to be able to create a campaign. So one campaign, one ad set, one ad. No, it's actually two ad set because we mentioned that we want to do some A/B testing. So let's see how it goes from there. All right, so the agent has everything it needs. You can see that it went through a bunch of tools to understand how to create properly a campaign. So now is asking us a validation. So first it will create the campaign and then we'll start to go for the ad groups and the ads. So let's have a look. So traffic campaign, pause, daily budget of 20 euro, no special ad category. He created a name with everything that we provided. That's perfect. So we can already approve. So the agent will create the campaign and then walk us through the rest. Next step, it will create the different ad sets, so the broad and the interest. Optimizing both on landing page view, Advantage Plus, that's perfect. We can approve. If you want to see exactly what's in there, you can click there and you will see all the settings if you wish for that specific ad set. We can approve. So every time something needs to be created or changed in your account, the agent will ask for approval. This is why you see that little icon right there. The agent will never do anything in the account without you manually approving. Okay, that's very important. Okay, so now it will apply the different interest for the ad set. So you can see here, he looked for different interest audience in Meta that could fit what we need for that specific ad set. So Zapier, digital marketing, marketing technology, CRM, makes sense. So we'll use that. So the ad set are already created. Now it will apply the targeting. Okay, so now campaign is created, ad set are created. So he mentioned that he used 7 different interests. Everything seems fine. Now he's missing stuff to create the ad. So single image, and then he will be able to create the ad and put the ad in the 2 different ad sets. That's perfect. So for the copy, he generated some copy like automate your marketing ops in one place, build repeatable workflows, campaign task without the busy work, marketing automation that actually ships. Very good copy. Let's keep this and we'll just upload from the device the 2 images that we have. So one square, one vertical. You can see that I renamed them properly so the agent knows which one to use for each placement. Okay, for the copy, here are the images. Let's go. All right, so he received the assets, he has correct page, he will create correct ads, okay, everything. So where to place the single ad. You can place the ad in both ad sets. Here, final step, requesting approval to push the ad directly into the campaign. Let's approve. There we go. So the ads are created in both ad sets. That's perfect. So now let's go into Meta and see if the campaign was actually created. So let me refresh the page. And you can see here the campaign that we just did together. It's paused, optimizing on landing page view, 20 euro data. So that's perfect. If we go inside, we can see that we have both ad sets. So this is all correct. And if we click inside, we can see that we have the ad right there. So let's do a preview. And you can see that he selected the correct formats for different placements. There we go, everything correct. So there we go, the campaign is now created. What you can do to finish, you can even ask the agent to give you the shareable preview link. Okay, that's perfect. Could you please share with us the shareable preview links from Meta? So it will give you the preview links that you can send to your clients or colleagues for validation. And there you go, we have the shareable preview links. So he created one for feed and one for story, so we can have different previews. That's perfect, and we can share that with our clients or colleagues. So there we go, it's even creating all for all the placements. That's perfect. So there you go, this is how you can quickly create a meta campaign from A to Z using Markifact AI agent directly in Markifact. And just like that, the campaign is live in your Meta ad account. You didn't have to click through the ad manager, you didn't have to copy paste anything. The agent did the work, you approved it. If you want to try it, link is in the description. Go to Markifact, connect your Meta account safely and securely, and start building campaigns like I just showed you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is helpful, and I see you in the next one. As I always say, happy automating.